Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the Mac as an AirPlay receiver so the phone can find it. On your Mac Open System settings, go to General, then AirPlay and Handoff, and turn on AirPlay Receiver. Make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network or plug the iPhone into the Mac for the most stable link. Once done, keep Bluetooth on for discovery. Now unlock your iPhone and prepare to open Control Center to start mirroring. You swipe down to open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. This sends a discovery signal and lists nearby AirPlay receivers. Select your Mac by name. The Mac may display a one-time code you need to type on the iPhone to confirm the connection. Once paired, the iPhone screen appears in a window on the Mac, resize, or full screen it is needed. Make sure audio routing is correct if you want sound through Mac speakers, and adjust brightness or orientation on your phone. You finish by stopping mirroring when done. Open iPhone Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring or close the AirPlay window on the Mac. If you need a recording, connect the iPhone with a cable and use QuickTime's new movie recording, selecting iPhone as camera for the best quality. If mirroring fails to appear, one key troubleshooting step is to check the Mac firewall and AirPlay permissions. Allow incoming connections or temporarily disable firewall, then retry. That resolves discovery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.